that is her natural complexion. It's just glowing and flawless. I usually Cleo. Jaden, do you want to come over here? Does it look like I'm wearing makeup?
Yeah.
If you didn't know me already and know what I look like.
It does look like you're wearing makeup.
Okay, you don't count. Hey guys, I'm Christen Dominique and I'm gonna show you what men think no makeup looks like. This is basically what it is. This is my no makeup and it looks undetectable. The skin in person looks like healthy glowy skin. The lashes, there's a big secret on the lashes and I'm gonna tell you in this video. I'm dropping some news on you guys, so keep watching for that. But if you wanna see what men think no makeup looks like, keep watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you can be a part of the Dom fam. Without further ado, let's get into this video. Ignore my Botox and filler bruises that I get once a year. I actually did a vlog about it. I'm gonna show you guys the specific areas where I inject, and you can obviously see right now just on my face. That'll be in a vlog coming up soon. I have already prepped my face. I've been wearing these eye masks and they are so like ultra hydrating. These are from Jillian Dempsey. They're a hydrating eye mask. I feel like I definitely needed that because I haven't been getting much sleep lately. I have been obsessed with Housewives of Potomac and finishing it. I've been binge watching and that's what's happening to my under eyes, along with Hereditary dark circles. So we are nice and hydrated now. I'm gonna put on a primer. I feel like men think we're poreless and just naturally hydrated. So we're going to use the new e.l.f. Power Grip Primer with 4% niacinamide. I actually have not used this yet. It's been my first time using it. This is known to have a grip to help makeup like stick to your face. I've been really excited to try it. I do have some pores going on, so I'm gonna, ooh. This is really tacky to the skin. Very, very tacky. My makeup isn't going anywhere. Okay, do you see that grip? The e.l.f. primer is very glowy, which I love. And I'm also gonna pop on this Clean Slate Tarte Poreless Primer because this is literally going to give you no pores at all. Do you see that? The shine is gone in that area. And that's okay because it's the T-zone, which you kind of don't want to be shiny unless you're into that. Everybody likes different things. But I feel like this looks like the most natural to guys, or to my husband from my experience, because I really don't know what the average guy thinks, but I did see a video that shocked me and it's inspired this video right here because some guy was like, you know, we just like chapstick and whatever. And it was a girl with like, obviously like a full face of foundation, glow, little lashes. It was really funny. So I decided, let's see what men think no makeup looks like. Look at that, no pores at all. I'm actually gonna put a little bit of this on my acne scar indentations to help a little bit, like a tiny bit. Bam. Let that dry down and we are going to underpaint because underpainting looks the most natural. I feel like guys don't realize that girls actually contour. So this is the Persona Dune Bronzer Multi-Stick. So I'm gonna just bronze. I'm gonna bronze tour basically in a really soft way and a soft color. I'm gonna do the nose. I feel like guys don't even notice. If you blend it in enough, they will not notice at all. And okay, we're gonna do some of the chin. A little bit here. Just a little bit. If you've been watching me, you know I bring it out a lot further than that, so this is natural for me. All right, so we're gonna blend this in, but we're gonna blend it in with a brush. We're not gonna use a beauty sponge because we don't want it to blend off of our face. We want to stamp it into place. So we're gonna use this brush from Nude Sticks. It's called Blend and Buff, and it's perfect for this. Also, if you feel like you cannot get rid of a harsh line, use a fluffier brush. This one is a foundation brush from IT Cosmetics, and it's amazing for that. And then just stamp, stamp, stamp all the way around your head, your forehead. And you're gonna notice that this looks so freaking natural. I don't even think you're gonna notice that this looks like makeup. And then on the small side, I'm just gonna draw in, just buff in, I mean, these little lines right here on the nose. And this is optional. You can kind of contour your nose however you want. Just the fact that you're using a soft color of contour is gonna look natural no matter what you do, especially underpainting. You'll never know. You'll never find out. What is that saying? You'll never find out that you're a shapeshifter. Have you guys seen that TikTok? So this is our contour. Now I'm gonna go back over with a beauty sponge. So I'm just gonna take my cute little beauty sponge from Dominique. I'm gonna just go over everything softly to double ensure we do not have any lines on our face. So we are underpainted. Except for that, don't forget your chin. If you're gonna do a double chin surgery right now with makeup, don't forget to blend it in like me. Okay, bam, we are contoured. It looks natural. And now I'm gonna go into my brows because we can fake it till we make it. First, I'm gonna brush them up with the Benefit Fluff Up Brow Wax. I usually steer clear of white brow waxes, but this one looks white, goes on completely clear, and I love how it fluffs up my brows without them feeling crunchy or flaky. It's really easy to work into the brow. It has like a natural matte finish. It's waterproof, sweat proof, which is very important, and it lasts for 12 hours. So I have been loving this. Actually, Benefit flew us out to Vegas to promote this, and it was such an amazing trip. We got to learn how to dance and do our makeup like Vegas showgirls, and it was so fun. You guys, I look like I got beat up. OMG. I would never lie to you guys though. I get filler and Botox. Would never lie about that. Why not? I'm 36. I need to stay young and youthful, and I like this. Not promoting it for you guys, but I really enjoy it. Just do what makes you happy. I'm not one of those people that judge people for getting things. I get things done to my face, to my body. Like, I don't, just do whatever makes you happy is how I feel. Okay, so now that it's dried down, I'm gonna go into my brow pencil. This is the 4.5, which is my brow color from Benefit. So this is the Precisely My Brow Pencil, and I'm just gonna take it out here because that's where we're missing a lot of brow. And we're gonna fake natural brows. I look like a scary bird. Trust the process. I know you can't see it yet, but this is going to be the most beautiful natural brow you have ever seen on my face. I'm manifesting. The universe answered our prayers, natural full brows. Just to let you guys know, I had a mascara on. I had this mascara on before I started filming, but I did brush it out, so it is a little bit less of what it looked like. And I'm gonna put a little bit more on. So this is the Birdie Lashes mascara. It has a top wand for the top lashes and a bottom for the bottom lashes. So we're gonna do the top lashes first with the curved wand. And I'm just gonna put a little bit on the tips. A little goes a long way, and it really has a long lasting curl. This is my favorite mascara. For the skin, to make it look natural as possible, use a dewy finish foundation or a skin tint. Skin tint's the best. I really love this one from Tower 28. It's the Sunny Days Broad Spectrum SPF 30 Tinted Sunscreen. I am a little bit lighter than this shade right now. This is 35 Point Dune, and I don't have another one like this, so I'm going to use the new Makeup by Mario foundation. It has the same kind of effect, that very glowy, luminous, healthy skin finish. So I'm gonna use this one. I'm in the shade 120. Looks like so. It has like a neutral undertone, and it looks like there's a lot of these little pearls in it, which there is, but you cannot see it once it's on the skin. It just looks like a healthy glow. So I'm gonna just apply that all over to make everything look like one piece of skin. That was a horrible description. So that looks like one even tone. Make sure you blend it down to your neck so the boys and men see that we were born this way. Honestly, we do makeup for ourselves. I feel like now in my 30s, I love my husband to death, but I do makeup to make myself feel good. I mean, unless we're going on a date and then I want to look a little extra for him, but on a day-to-day basis, I just want to look good because I want to feel good. I don't do it to get anyone's attention really. Unless it's like my girls, because then I feel like sometimes we dress up and do our makeup for each other, like girls, and for ourselves mainly. But make sure that is blended all the way down to the neck. And if you have any bruises on your face, make sure those are covered. Do you see how this gives you this really pretty glow? That's what makes it look like skin. That dewy kind of finish always makes it look like, wow, that is her natural complexion. It's just glowing and flawless. All right, instead of using a bright concealer, I'm gonna use a concealer that's a little bit darker to trick the eye. I'm gonna use the Wide Awake Full Cover Concealer in the shade Cappuccino, which is deeper than what I would normally use. And that's just gonna make your under eyes look even, and they'll never know. And then I'm gonna add a little bit of oat milk, which is a little bit lighter. And we're gonna add that into our concealer, but we're gonna put this down lower, which is gonna make it look more natural. I'm gonna spray some Fine Mist. Make sure we're hydrated. Go in with a brush and tap. these areas in. And if you're a man watching this, let me know if you agree that you think this is natural looking. Okay, so now that we're all tapped in, then we're gonna go in with a beauty sponge and lightly tap around to blend. Not really touching too much on top of the product so that we can get the most coverage out of it. Bam, we don't look too bright, we look natural. You wanna use a sheer buildable kind of blush. So I'm gonna use this one from Dominique. This is soft pink. And I'm gonna take a beauty sponge, like so, and we're just gonna softly hit the cheeks because then it looks like we just went running, we're active. It's a flush. Okay, not on the nose because that's very noticeable, but we're gonna blend the blush in. And this is a dewy finish type of blush. It's a natural little flush of color. Okay, now that we have our natural face on, we're gonna set it because we're too shiny in the T-zone. So I'm gonna take this hydrating setting powder and we're gonna use a brush. We're gonna use a brush because we don't wanna look too, you know the like brightening bake? We don't wanna look like that. It has to look very, very natural. So look up and then just lightly tap with a very light hand. I'm pretty sure I got some powder in my eye. Oh, okay. So I'm just gonna tap that so we don't look too shiny and it looks more realistic. I don't know why I keep doing this. I don't even think it makes sense, but okay. All right, so I'm gonna put this over my eyes so we don't have any creasing cream makeup on our eyelids. Now we just need a little bit of bronzer. I'm gonna take the Makeup by Mario bronzer. Has a little bit of glowiness to it, so it's perfect. And take that in at the crease, like so. A natural depth in the eye. And then take this little brush over here because naturally everybody has a little bit of a shadow underneath the eye. So just a little bit of bronzer there makes it look realistic. I just need a little bit right in here where I put all that powder. Then I'm gonna take a little bit of this concealer from Rem Beauty and put it over my huge bruise on my lip. I feel like I can see it way too much. I'm just gonna blend it all together. So we're basically not gonna have a top lip today. We're gonna fake it with lip liner. It kind of covered it up. But now we're gonna go ahead and put on some lashes. You guys, these are the most natural looking lashes and they're from my brand. By the time this video comes out, they will be launching the next day. So these are my new lashes. They are the style Flirty and I have two other styles. Ojitos, which is my medium lash, which is still very wispy and fluffy. And then the most dramatic lash that I'm coming out with is Fierce. And these are beautiful. I cannot wait for you guys to try them. And these are Flirty. These are our lightest lash and they're just so baby doll-like and pretty. And that's what I'm gonna be wearing today. And we're gonna fake some lifted Flirty lashes. And I'll have all the info in the description for you guys so you can purchase them if you want. Also, we've launched tools with the lashes and I am just so proud of them. Look how pretty, so, so pretty. And our new packaging and our branding, I love it. It's coming together slowly but surely and I am obsessed. So I'm gonna take out the Flirty lash. I have to cut them though, so I'm gonna go ahead and cut the little corners. The scissors are nice and sturdy and they have the Dominique logo right here. You can't really see it, but it's there. It's just the little details. The Dominique is engraved into the scissors. I'm gonna take a lash glue and we did not come out with the lash glue in case you guys are wondering. So you can use any of your favorite lash glue that you already have. And I'm gonna wait a few seconds before I apply it so it can dry down. Just to show you how strong the scissors are, in case you guys are wondering if it's worth it. It is definitely worth it. All right, and now we have our natural lashes. Look how pretty they are though. This is a lash you can wear every day. So this is my new favorite go-to lash style, Flirty. And they truly are like very soft, pretty, and naturally flirty. I love it. Last but not least, is lips. Okay, I have multiple lip options and they look like this. It's just any brownie pink nude type of lip. And I have Wherever Walnut from Makeup Forever is my favorite. Pat McGrath Half Naked is good. Dose of Colors On Repeat is gorgeous. And then Kylie's Old School, this is old, I don't even know if she sells this anymore, but this is the Kris Jenner Give Me a Kiss lip. Perfect. It's literally matches my lip color. So anything that matches your lip color, use that. And I think I'm gonna go with, this is from ColourPop, it's called Oh Snap. And we're gonna see which one matches the closest. I feel like these are all gonna match me, but I'm just going to go over my natural lip and then fill it in. You don't want anything that's too glossy because then it's not gonna look like chapstick. You guys have to drink every time I do this. I don't even know if I'm doing it at a point where it actually makes sense. Bam. I'm gonna actually add a little bit of wherever walnut in the center. It's very matte, but what we're gonna do is add a chapstick. This is from Kosas, it's a lip balm, and I'm just gonna add it so it doesn't look too matte. Bam. This could definitely be my natural lip color, and it's very, very close, hides the bruise, and we are basically done. We just need to mist our entire face so that it looks like skin all together. So I'm gonna take the Ultra Hydrating Fine Mist from Dominique, and we look like we woke up like this. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you learned something new in this video, please comment below. I would love to hear your feedback. I really feel like this is undetectable. Let me know if you agree or not. I hope you found this helpful, and if you did, please tag me on your no makeup looks. I love to see the recreations, and if you don't follow me, we can't stay connected, we can't stay friends, and it makes me really sad. So make sure to subscribe to my channel. There's a little circle with my face in it. Click the button and we will be subscribed. We get to hang out every single week. If you missed these videos over to the side, make sure to check them out. And before I leave you, I just want to let you know that you're beautiful inside, and that is what counts and makes you beautiful on the outside. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in the next video. Show this clip right here to your brother, dad, any male you have in your home, and ask them if I'm wearing makeup. I'm gonna get ready and then ask them right now, do you think this girl's wearing makeup? Okay, go get him. Let me know in the comments what they said.